Hello friends, my name is Rahul Viskarma and I am studying in a Devi Ahilyabai University in the College International Institute of Professional Studies DAVB. I have prepared the video assignment. It is a part of my MTech curriculum. It is a part of a subject numerical analysis and design. And numerical analysis and design is talked to us by Dr. Saligram Prajapati sir. And this assignment is also prepared under the guidance of Dr. Saligram Prajapati sir. So let's start. What is a regular Folsi method? So, the regular Folsi method is a numerical method for estimating the roots of a polynomial equation. रेगुलर फॉल्सी मेथड से हम किसी भी पोलिनोमियल इक्वेशन के रूट्स निकाल सकते हैं. As compared to the bijection method, this method gives the roots as early. It is not largely as compared to bijection method. It gives the faster roots as compared to bijection method. Algorithm. Uh, as you see that on the screen, algorithm first start, and then we have to take the two values a and v, and e is the error. How much error we can consider in the value of root. And here we are the two initial guesses. मतलब we are going to take two values. We are going to take two values in our in the polynomial equation, which are going to give a positive and negative positive answer on which we are putting in the function. After then we compute the value of f and f of b. After that we check the product of f of b and f of a and f of b less than 0. If it is if the product of f of a and f of b is less than 0, then we are going to stop. Then we are going to step 5, and if it is greater than 0, then we update the value of a and b. And the step 6, check whether the product of f of v and f of v is check whether the product of f of a and f of b is negative or not. If it is negative, then assign a equal to m, and if it is positive, assign b equal to m. And step 7, check whether the value of f of x is greater than 0.001 or not. If yes, then go to step 5. If not, then go to step 8. And step 8, display the value of root. And step 9 is stop. And the diagram of a regular Folsi method is shown on the screen. Suppose we have a figure that is cut the x-axis at some point. So we take a lower point b comma f of b and upper point a comma f of a, and the point at which the x-axis come we have to find. So we use a regular Folsi method to find that point. And for finding that point, we join the points b comma f of a, b comma f of b, and a comma f of a, and the point at which that code. And after joining these points, a code is drawn. and the point at which the code is cut the x-axis. Let's assume that point is M, and by solving this we can find the value of M. You can see the value of M equal to a f of b minus b f of a divide by f of b minus f of a. So the next is a flowchart of regular Folcy. As you understand before, the flowchart of regular Folcy, first start, then did we have to take the values of f, e, and e. Then we after that we will compute the value of a and compute the value of f of a and f of v. We put the value of a and b in the function f of x, and we will find the value of f of a and f of v. Now we are going to check the condition if a product of f of a and f of v less than 0. If it is true, then we are going to find the value of fm by the formula m equal to a into f of b minus f of a into f of b whole divided by f of b minus f of v. If it is not correct, then we have to update the value of a and b. After that, if again we have to apply again we have to check the condition if the product of f of a and f of a into f of b less than 0. If this condition is true, a equal to m. If this is not true, b equal to m. After that, check if f of m is greater than equal to 0.001. If this is true, then we have to find the value of m. If this is false, display the value of root x equal to m. And after that we are going to stop. Next is a program of regular Folcy method, and this program is written generally in a C language. So first we write we are taken the value of x in float. We are taking the data type of a, v, and in a float, and we put the value of e. E is the error, and that is 0.001. First we enter the value of a and v. Then after that we scan the value of a and v. We have written the value of the formula of m, that is a into f of b into v into f of a whole divided by f of b into f of a. And I equal to 1 if after that we apply the condition while if f of m is greater than or equal to e. If this is condition, then we print the value of I, a, b, m. I is the iteration, a and v are a and v are the two values that we have taken before when we starting the question, and m is that point on the x-axis on which the x-axis m is the point on x-axis that is cut by the code by joining the 2 points of a graph. If f of a into f of m is greater than 0, a equal to m, else v equal to m equal to this, and I equal to I plus m. After that is bracket close, and finally bracket close. That is a program in C++. of regular falsy method. And we have a small numerical of a polynomial solved by a regular falsy method. Find the roots of a polynomial equation f of x using the regular falsy method. F of x equal to x cube minus x1 x cube minus x minus 1 given. We have given a function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 1. Suppose guys, 2 points a and b on the graph x square minus x minus x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Let's suppose let's suppose a equal to 1. On putting a equal to 1, we compute the value of in the function f of x. We compute the value of f of a equal to minus 1. Similarly, we compute the value value of v equal to 2. So we compute the value of we put the value of v in f of x. Value of f of v equal to 1. Value of a and value of v are opposite. That means that the functions cut the x-axis and that the points are opposite to each other. Now f of a into f of v greater than 0. The f of a into f of v should be less than 0. If it is not true, we have to update the value of a and b. And the formula of m is the point. M is the point on the graph which is made by a chord joining the 2 points of the graph. We have a value of m, and the value of m is computed commuted. The value of m is commuted by the graph. So m equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a whole divided by f of b minus f of a. So we have a so let's compute ahead iteration. We have approx 7 iteration to find the value and to find the roots to find the approx root of a given function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 1. Suppose on putting the value of 1 and 1, we take the value. You have taken a you can see in a first iteration the value of product of f of a into f of m is a positive, and second iteration so that a equal to m, a की वैल्यू m के बराबर हो जाएगी. So we put the value of m in the place of a. Similarly, in the second iteration, the value product of f of a into f of m is again positive. So we change the value of a, then put the value of m. Similarly, in third iteration, the value of a is 1.600 and b is 2.00. Value of b is similarly. And value of m computed as per the formula is 1.6150, and the product of f of m f of a into f of m is again positive. So we again change then change the value of a and put the value of m is 1.61500, but the value of b is again not changed. Again the value of the product of f of a into f of m is positive. So the value of a is again changed, and the value of a is m. Mm, uh, Similarly, in all the step, it is value product of f of a into f of m is positive. So finally, the value of f of m in step 6 or is 0.008. That is almost greater than f of m greater than or equal to f of m 0.001. So from that the root of f of x equal to x square minus x minus 1 is 1.618033 approx. Thank you. Thank you to everyone.